northeast now at about 50 miles per hour. It has now passed through the Hernando area. It has produced quite a bit of lightning as it goes through. Already this leading edge is starting to push up into southern Shelby County, southeast Shelby County, right here. That is basically the line between Shelby, Fayette counties. Right there, you've got your state line. That's that location, Olive Branch. That takes you a little closer toward Byhalia, Mississippi, downtown Memphis. We're going to kind of miss out on this. We're going to miss out on this particular storm cell, but this is a great signature right here on velocity. That's it. Let me zoom into that real quick and just show you where this is. Cedar View, Lewisburg, 305. If you live in this area,
the National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, Northwestern Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, Northwestern Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, Southern Fayette County in West Tennessee, Southwestern Hardeman County in West Tennessee, Southeastern Shelby County in West Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lewisburg, or near Olive Branch, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include South Haven, Collierville, Germantown, Olive Branch, Memphis, Somerville, Byhalia, Mount Pleasant, Lagrange, Lewisburg, Michigan City, Sladen, Macon, Parkerton, Rossville, Moscow, Williston, Grand Junction, Long Range until Oil Corner. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, and Marshall, and the following counties in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, and Shelby.